guys, ake sizwe nazi ezintshe on kuningi ya eMzansi on News Galo. Hayibo guys. uNozipho Ntshangase asho ukuthi no, I'm starting a new chapter. I mean, we know that sort of, you know, after nje the rumors, or should we say izinto ebesilo sizizwa nje ukuthi hayibo bayadivorce nendoda. Vele even on the Mame Club show was very clear about ukuthi, you know what, mina isithembu is not my thing. I'm not that person, please. Ukubona. And I supported her so much ukuthi yazini vele nama I don't want that for her. She was just like, yo mina ngashiya zonke izinto zami ngayeka yonke into ngangaya eZambia to do my medicine for umuntu. And I thought this was my best friend. Ngiyamangala umuntu mesengenza kanje. No, he actually did a dirty Uzola uNozipho, and I was here to, you know guys, how I feel about Nozipho. I've said it so many times, but love her personality, that calmness yakhe nje, it just soothes me nje in so many ways ukuthi oh akuveli phansi uNozipho. Bamushiya bayoshada nosisi lo oSonta kaShembe. Kuthiwa batholana esontweni. uNozipho was just like, I know, it's fine. Mina ngicela i-divorce ayikabi, so that I can move on with my life. Apparently, she is starting a new life. Vele. She even moved out of their house. Zola and their 8 children. She was just like, I'm out. Like, ngoba vele mawufuna fresh start guys. Qala kabusha kundane inwele yonke into. Mina ngisho njalo konza qala phansi. So that yonke into ikhulu ngendlela entsha. So that's exactly what has happened. Okay, sisters is moving on. It's hard and all, guys. I mean, you can't just move on overnight. It's not possible, but so before gay divorce finalize asazi ngamuphi unyaka siyozwa someday, because I mean uzola ubelieve ukuthi yena uyipolygamist uzitshelile ukuthi you know what, uyangithatha noma uyangiyeka. Ukubona leyo nto leyo, oh guys, bazuthunikeze leyo ukuthi are you staying or are you leaving? Nozipho was just like, no, I'm leaving. Ohamba kanjalo kuNozipho guys. Wayeqalile impilo entsha nezingane zakhe. It's just been hectic for her. Very happy for her also ukuthi waqala ne-podcast. Ngoba it's important guys ukuthi ube nemali yakho ekule life le. We were just talking about it. It's so important ukuthi mawufika ku relationship now pay your bags of money, you know.